Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to take Jeep Gladiator doors off. Start by parking on level ground and remove the weather seals gently. Disconnect the electrical connector and support the door weight. Open the door and remove the 3 hinge bolts using a 13mm socket, keeping bolts organized. Lift the door straight off the hinges with an assistant to avoid damage and set it on a padded surface. Reinstall in reverse order. Use a 13mm socket, breaker bar, torque wrench, and panel protectors for safe removal. Wear gloves and eye protection while working with heavy doors. Label bolts and hinges to make reassembly simple. Use a friend to carry the door and avoid straining your back. If electrical connectors are stubborn, apply a small spray of contact cleaner and wiggle gently. Keep screws and bolts in a plastic tray to prevent loss. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener for a crisp cabin scent after door work. It fits behind seats or hangs from a mirror and keeps dust away from vents. Check the description for the link and more deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Reinstalling requires patience and correct torque to avoid misalignment. Align door on hinges and insert bolts finger tight, then tighten to factory torque. Reconnect electrical harness and test windows, locks, and mirror before finishing. Reinstall weather seals and check for gaps around the door edges. Adjust striker if the door binds or sits too high using small turns. Take a short test drive to listen for rattles and verify secure fitment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.